Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the playback speed on TikTok videos. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to change the playback speed on TikTok videos, first head over to the TikTok app. Then when you're in the app, long press on the screen. After you do that, it brings up this next menu and you'll see the option that says playback speed. So tap on that one, and here you can set your playback speed to normal, 0.5, 1.5 or 2 times the speed. So to show you, I'm going to click on the 2 times speed and you'll see this video has now been speeded up to 2 times the original speed. And that's all it takes to change the playback speed on the TikTok app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.